hold the phone before you text that next funny video or joke to friends or family. Why not get paid over and over again for sharing it? We're using an ingenious new secret app to easily make as much as $764.25 every single day and having a blast while supplementing the huge income you see here in just a few minutes per day. Take a look. An extra $2,557 waiting to be paid out. Non-stop commission payments flowing in daily. Typical days where we make $500 to $700 in free commissions. And then 30-day stretches where we collect over $70,000, and sometimes single days where we make over $4,000 in pure profit. Now, this is unlike anything you've ever seen because it's not, I repeat, not an online business or online business app. All we use is the app itself and nothing else, meaning there's no traffic, no selling or promoting needed. There's no setup needed. There's no Facebook or social media needed ever. This is simple enough for 7 to 70-year-olds with zero online experience. And because this is not an online business, instead of stressing out and getting overwhelmed, we're having fun while supplementing a $10,000 plus weekly income. We collect guaranteed cash payouts with just one daily joke or funny video link shared directly to the app. We bank hands-free income as we get thousands of ratings on the funny stuff we share. We collect both instant and passive residual commissions. We collect real autopilot commissions while away from the app. Think about it. Every app you've tried up to this point has probably been an online business app where you're forced to get traffic and convert sales, which is exactly why you've been struggling with little or nothing to show for it to this point. So it's time to ditch those online business apps and start having fun making money online just like us with the all-new Laugh and Bank app. Now, in a nutshell, Laugh and Bank is an extremely fun and addicting web-based app we use to bank as much as $764 daily simply by rating and sharing funny jokes and YouTube videos directly on the app and getting paid every time somebody clicks to rate our submissions as funny. And the coolest part, in my opinion, we share a joke to the app, but then we accumulate commissions while away from the app doing other things. Now, it's unbelievable how easy it is to make guaranteed commissions with nothing but the Laugh and Bank app itself, with zero traffic, zero sales, zero social media, and zero online business. It's your turn to start laughing all the way to the bank in just 3 fun steps. Step 1, we crack open the Laugh and Bank app. You can grab your copy before the 60-minute price jump. Step 2, we have fun rating and sharing vids and jokes through the app. Just one joke or video link daily is guaranteed money. And then step 3, we relax and collect daily commissions on autopilot for every one-click funny rating that we get. Now, how many thousands of funny ratings will your favorite funny videos and jokes get? People all over the world are currently flooding in to Laugh and Bank and using it to supplement huge incomes like ours. $56,000 here, $6,572 there, $17,566 here. The cash flow goes on and on. But don't take our word for it. You can go right on ahead and try Laugh and Bank's unprecedented live demo on the page below to experience how fun and easy it truly is, and watch the live money counter go up and up as you do so. So I'll bet you're wondering how much the Laugh and Bank app costs, and for us the answer is actually many thousands of dollars, and also months and months of coding and work. But even setting all that aside, we should still be charging hundreds for Laugh and Bank access, considering we're using it to easily supplement and scale a $10,000 to $20,000 weekly income, and considering it works the same for everybody. And indeed, we will be doing so. After launch, Laugh and Bank goes to $29.95 per month, meaning you'll pay hundreds per year if you hold off. So now, as in right here now, is prime time to lock into Laugh and Bank for a small one-time fee, one and done, Simply click our friendly add to cart button below to lock in your personal copy of Laugh and Bank right now before it's too late. By ordering right now, you'll also get free bonus access to Laugh and Bank's optional referral program that pays up to $100,000 or more per year. The only way to get approval to this elite program is as a Laugh and Bank user, and you do not want to miss out. At this moment, you're only a couple easy clicks away from laughing all the way to the bank. And even if you should change your mind for some unthinkable reason, you're safe and sound with our 365-day plus $500 cashback guarantee. So there's zero risk aside from all the fun and cash you'll miss out on if you leave this page without securing your copy of Laugh and Bank. Not only does our one-time fee, lifetime access special offer end after launch forever, our current one-time fee itself is also automatically going up every 60 minutes as I speak. So the clock is ticking. So you want to click the add to cart button below right now to grab your copy of Laugh and Bank, and I look forward to seeing you inside. Oh, and P.S., on top of all the money you'll be making, you're also gonna have a blast. You're gonna have fun seeing how high you can get your Laugh and Bank funny rating. Remember, this is not an online business. You can make just as much or more money online without an online business, without having to get traffic, without social media, without selling, without a website or list, without anything that an online business entails, and have an absolute blast while doing so. That's what Laugh and Bank is all about. So click the add to cart button below once again, and we'll see you inside.